If you're one of those traders that always sells the biggest stocks too soon or too late, and you're like, well, how does this guy actually know how high these stocks can go? Just watch the video and I'll explain it in less than 60 seconds. Now, we'll use two examples from some of my biggest trades from last week. The first one here is on CHOW that ran from 60 cents all the way to $1.38. And the way that I knew this was going to be the top was not rocket science. And so that you know I'm not just lying, I said that Chow had range here to $1.15, then $1.40. And guess what the high was? $1.38. You're like, well, that's not even possible. Well, it is, and all you have to do is go to the daily time frame and look back to the left. See, we can use past price action to predict future price action because history tends to repeat itself. So switch to the daily time frame, look back to the left at past areas of rejection. And what you see back here on the daily chart, rejection, rejection, rejection. There's no other real obvious levels anywhere through here. So $1.40 was pretty obvious. So I knew I had range for $1.40. It really is that easy. You've got my big win on NCI from Friday that also made a perfect move. I said we had range here to $3.40. Yes, it made a little bit of a move over that, but then rejected heavily and gave back everything afterwards. And again, so you know that I'm not lying, I said that NCI had range to $3.40. Well, over $2.70. And I want you to see here just how accurate those levels played out the next day. I made that list the night before, $2.70 to a T, and $3.40 as well. Now going into this day here, of course, we knew we first had rejection off this past high off of $3.40. But then we go back to the daily chart and zoom all the way back to the left, and you'll also find all of these big topping tail rejections off of $2.70 and $3.40. Again, past price action typically predicts future price action. If you want to find out where a stock actually has the potential to go, just zoom out, go to the daily chart, look back to the left. The chart tells you literally everything you need to know. Sometimes you just have to listen.